Okay, I'm back. It's a nice Sunday afternoon, and I decided I'm going to clean out the garage. It's been like this all winter, and it's time for me to get it all clean so I can do some projects for all my subscribers. As you can see here, I got a bit of work to do. I got a nice little squirrel trap here. I had to use, because I had squirrels, works like a charm. Maybe one day I'll show you how I built this thing. And there's my chop saw there, and my fuel tank, and projects I started I didn't finish, and my bandsaw and my chainsaw. So, and of course the good old back saver, the snowblower. So today we're gonna go in here, dig everything out, and get this garage ready for me to build things to show you on my channel. Make it more interesting for you. So I'm gonna get to work, and let's enjoy the garage cleanup. Okay, much better. I can walk right through my garage now. And this is what it looks like. I'll do a little pan around and make a little noise. Let the animals in here that have lived in here for the winter know that I'm back. And this is a kayak that I got to start using because I paid money for it, and I only used it for one summer, and that was probably about 5 years ago. This year, I promise. I put these little phony wasps nests in here because every year wasps come in here and make their nests for some reason. I don't know how. Well, I know how to get in through the front garage door. It's a little hole. Every year around the same time. But since I've been using these things here, they're a little faded now. I got to get some new ones. They don't come in anymore. Once they see that, this stuff actually does work. So there's my router. If you can see, it's a little dark in here. A small table saw there. And this is my other table saw right here. Okay. My planer right in the corner there. Of course, my snowblower, and well, it's retired for the summer that's coming, and of course my lawnmower there. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put this ladder right here and look up there and see if there's any little critters living up there. Let them know I'm back, and find another place to live. Not in here. And my shop vac, chop saw, you know, and sanders, planers. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun making stuff for you guys. Just want to let you see what's going on in here. And I'll put I've got a few more things I got to put in, like oh, it's a little bright out here because of the lighting I have set for the camera. But I got to put my garbage bin back in, my bicycle, and a table on wheels. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set up to show you the little critter check. I'm gonna put the ladder up, and we're gonna go up there and let's take a quick peek. Maybe we might find something interesting. Maybe some animal that don't want to leave my garage. They're not paying, you know, a mortgage, so they gotta go if I find something. Okay, so I've got the ladder all set up here, and we're gonna go up and see if there's any little critters living in the roof of my garage. You guys are probably hoping to see something. I don't want to see anything because I'll have a problem I have to get rid of. But let's take a look here. Nothing scurrying around there, nothing scurrying around there, and nothing that I can see up there. Okay, so it looks like I'm lucky this year that nothing is up here that wants to live. Let me come down without falling. Okay, so that's the check. I'm just gonna get the old shop vac and blow some of this stuff off the ground here, and do a little bit more cleaning up, and I'm satisfactory with a workshop that I could work with. And sorry about the lighting there, but I gotta have it. It's dark in the garage, so. But anyways, I will definitely make more vids when I get a chance, and I will definitely be making stuff for you. I got the wood, I got everything I need, so we'll make some projects together. And thank you very much for joining me in this one.